In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a planner in OneNote. First, let's open OneNote. As the application loads, you will see a clean interface that is user-friendly and inviting. This is where all your planning will take place. Once you see your notebooks, you know you're in the right place. Opening OneNote is the first step to organizing your thoughts and tasks efficiently. You are setting the stage for your planner. Next, we will create a new page. Look for the option usually found on the left sidebar where you can add a new page. Click on it and a blank canvas will appear. This is where you will build your planner from scratch. A new page gives you the freedom to customize without any distractions. It's an essential step because it allows you to create a dedicated space for your planner. Now let's name it Planner. You will type Planner at the top of the new page. Naming your page is crucial because it helps you identify it quickly later on. This small action adds clarity to your workspace. Once you type the name, you will see it saved automatically. This ensures your changes are kept safe and organized. From there, it's time to add sections for your planner. Start with a to-do list. You can create a heading by typing to-do list and pressing the Enter key. This helps you clearly define your tasks. Having a dedicated section for tasks makes it easier to track what needs to be done. You can see at a glance what is left to accomplish, which is incredibly motivating. Next up is the Schedule section. Type Schedule and press Enter again. This section is where you will outline your daily or weekly commitments. Adding a schedule helps you manage your time more effectively. You'll be able to visualize your day, ensuring that nothing important gets overlooked. It's a simple yet powerful way to streamline your planning process. After that, let's create a Goals section. Type Goals and hit Enter. This area is essential for tracking your long-term and short-term aspirations. Writing down your goals gives you direction. It serves as a reminder of what you are aiming for in your personal or professional life. You will find that revisiting your goals often can boost your motivation. Now, let's add a Notes section. Type Notes and press Enter once more. This is a dedicated space for jotting down ideas, thoughts, or anything else you want to remember. Having a notes section is beneficial for capturing spontaneous thoughts that can aid in your planning. It ensures that no valuable ideas slip through the cracks. With your sections prepared, use checkboxes for tasks in the to-do list. You can usually find the checkbox option in the toolbar. This feature allows you to mark tasks as complete when finished. Checkboxes provide a satisfying visual cue, making it easier to see your progress. This small addition can significantly improve your productivity. Next, let's utilize a table for your schedule. Insert a table by selecting the table option in the toolbar. This will help you organize your schedule in a structured manner. A table provides a clear overview of your time blocks, making it easy to see what you have planned. This organization can help reduce stress and ensure you stay on track. Finally, add links to other OneNote pages if needed. This can be done by highlighting text and selecting the link option. Linking to other pages can create a network within your planner, making navigation seamless. This is a great way to keep related information connected and easily accessible. You will find this feature incredibly useful as you expand your planner. Now you have a fully functional planner in OneNote. You can refer back to this setup whenever you need to organize your tasks and goals. Happy planning!